Up for sale today, we got a 1966 Corvette. This is we don't get cars like these very often. 66 Corvette, number matching, 327, 300 horsepower, vintage AC, power brakes, power steering, 700 miles on the fresh restoration. Real black car, 4-speed manual transmission. Knockoffs. The Teak wood steering wheel. We've got the original carburetor, I believe the original distributor, all the stainless shielding, black leather interior. The steering wheel is gorgeous too. 4-speed. Hard top, both tops actually. The soft top is a expensive material. I remember I had another Corvette that had it. It's like $1,000 at least for the material. The undercarriage you can eat off of. There is not one stone chip. There is not one scratch. This is a fine example of a 66 Corvette, number matching, 327, 300 horsepower, both tops. Original black, vintage AC. Just look at the paint. Vintage AC, power brakes, power steering. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, it helps me out, I appreciate it. Leave a like if you like the video or you like the car. If you don't like me, that's fine too. It'll be for sale on eBay in a day or two, so keep your eye out. It's on my it'll be on my website as well, NextGenClassicCars.com. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate subscribers too. You know, I get a lot of cars. I post them, share videos of them. People can enjoy them. So we'll fire it up now. You can see the driving video and all that. Thank you.
Hello ladies, or hello gentlemen and ladies, or ladies. We don't get in a car like this very often, but it's a factory black 66 with only 650 miles on the frame off restoration. All original body panels, number matching engine, transmission. It's been upgraded with vintage air. Got the original Teak steering wheel. Power steering, power brakes, knockoff wheels. The frame and undercarriage is like a new penny. Not a mark on the car. Nice leather interior. Finished and stuffed very firm. Give you good support. Andrew could attest for that.
Pretty comfortable.
Clock works, every light, gauge.
I've never seen lights open and close so
Chrome,
fast in
yeah.
my life.
Well, they're upgraded to electric. It's just a beautiful 66 with the matching hardtop. And the black soft top is a Hearts, made by Hearts, which is more of a cloth material. It's well over $1,000 just for that. Just an all-around, really, really nice car. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.